selection of 3 tones to intermix into your color formulas for really personalized results.
Stroke 00, a clear diluter. This is a clear tone suitable to dilute any shade or to be used alone for strengthening services. Stroke 34, Copper Enhancer. This is used to enhance warm tones from blondes to brunettes. Small amounts can be used to support golden tones and higher quantities or used alone for copper results. Here you can see an example to make a golden blonde.
Here I've used 30 grams of 9-stroke 36 and just 5 grams of the stroke 34 Copper Enhancer to create this golden blonde. The stroke 28, the Indigo Enhancer, is a cool violet tone to neutralize unwanted warmth and add depth.
Now listen up, this shade will start with a green matte effect on the first day and will oxidize naturally over 48 hours to a cool violet tone.
This shade is not to be used alone. We recommend it to be used only on levels 5 and below when intermixed with the other shades within the palette.
Here is an example of a level 5 and darker. It's really fantastic for adding coolness, but here on a level 10 pure, you can see how green matte it is.
And here is the result after 48 hours. Beautifully cool. Let's jump to our scientist behind supernatural color, Ksenia, to tell us more about what's happening and why.
Hi everyone. Let me share some more information on the Indigo Enhancer. So the dye is extracted from powdered indigo leaves. As it oxidizes, it gradually changes color over time. You can observe a similar effect when brewing tea. It starts with golden brown hue and changes to a darker tone over time.